out of there. I think I made a mistake. But anyways, I want to kind of show you something really cool. Is up in the very top, if you can see, they are making some kind of ladder or something, holding each other's legs or something. Just pretty cool. So I don't know if they're trying to form a comb or what they're doing, but that's pretty cool. And then you can see the box there, which they're trying to get that queen out of. It's been pretty cool so far. I'll keep you posted though. I don't know if you can see that ladder right there that they're making, kind of holding together. They're holding each other. Alright, we'll check in later.